Health benefits. Nutrition. 12 health benefits of mint leaves that you should know. Published by PharmEasy. Mint leaves, also known as pudina, are a popular aromatic herb for its freshness with several health benefits. Since ancient times, people have used different types of mint all over the world. A variety of mint plants offer you a lot of antioxidant properties and health benefits. Nutritional profile. Mint leaves are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, and contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and B complex, phosphorus, calcium, and has antibacterial properties. It is one of the rich sources of iron, potassium, and manganese, which improves hemoglobin levels and promotes brain function. Mint leaves are low in calories and contain a minimal amount of protein and fat, so you can add mint leaves in your weight loss diet program easily. Health benefits of mint leaves are: science has proven that mint has plenty of health benefits for your body. Here are some of the best ways that you can use mint to help your body stay healthy. Treat indigestion. Mint leaves are known as an amazing appetizer. It helps to promote the digestive system by stimulating digestive enzymes. Mint oil has antiseptic and antibacterial properties to relieve indigestion, stomach infections, etc. It acts as an antispasmodic remedy due to the presence of methanol in it. Relieve irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is a common disorder of the digestive system. It can cause stomach pain, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and indigestion. The main and important treatment for irritable bowel syndrome is a change of diet, but some studies have shown that mint oil can be helpful. Mint oil contains a compound called menthol, which gives relaxing effects on the muscles of the digestive tract. Improve respiratory complaints. Mint leaves are highly recommended for asthma patients, as it acts as a good relaxant and relieves chest congestion. Consumption of mint leaves daily can give a soothing effect for asthmatic patients. Mint is known to clear a stuffed nose. Menthol can make breathing a lot easier. It also relieves the irritation caused by a chronic cough. Oral care. You have just gobbled on garlic soup, so what's next you will do? Pop up some chewing gum. But next time try to chew mint leaves to get rid of the strong odor. Mint leaves could help freshen your breath instantly due to the presence of germicidal properties. Mint leaves extract can help to clear the plaque deposition on teeth. Menthol containing toothpaste, mouthwash, or chewing gums can cease oral bacterial growth and keeps your oral cavity clean. Improve brain power. Mint leaves are brain tonic. According to various studies, consuming mint may up alertness and cognitive functions. Mint leaves can improve memory power and mental alertness. Boosts immunity. Mint is full of vitamins and antioxidants to improve your immunity. These plant-based vitamins help to protect your cells from damage. Also, mint leaves can prevent tumor formation by inhibiting some enzymes. Beats stress and depression. Mint is an essential part of aromatherapy. Its strong and refreshing smell could help beat stress and rejuvenate the mind. By breathing in the aroma of mint, your mind is instantly calmed. You can add mint to your tea, use mint extract on a vaporizer, or take a mint bath for immediate relief from stress and depression. Read more: 7 relaxation techniques that help fight stress. Help in breastfeeding pain. Breastfeeding mothers commonly experience sore and cracked nipples, which can make breastfeeding painful and difficult. Evidence revealed that applying mint essential oil is valuable in easing pain and heals soreness and cracked nipple. Helps in weight loss. Mint leaves play an essential role in losing weight in a healthy way. Mint leaves promote digestion and boost metabolism to help in losing weight. Mint tea is a great refreshing calorie-free beverage to promote weight loss. Skincare. Mint is an ancient medicine to treat skin-related problems like acne, scar. The powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties of mint leaves are effective in treating acne and lowers the inflammation and redness associated with acne outbursts. Mint leaves contain high salicylic acid and vitamin A, which controls the secretion of sebum oil in the skin and helps to cure acne. Mint leaves extract is useful to treat and prevent acne. The richness of menthol and natural antioxidants in mint leaves are used as an amazing cleanser, toner, astringent, and moisturizer for the skin. Mint leaves tones the skin, softens dry and itchy skin. Healthy hairs. Mint leaves extract is a great source of keratin and antioxidants that promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. The potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties of mint leaves used to ward off dandruff, head lice, etc. You can apply mint leaves paste mixed with lemon juice on the hair scalp and allow it to stay for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse the hair well. Help to ease morning sickness. Mint is an excellent remedy to treat nausea. It is also effective for treating nausea that happens in morning sickness. Side effects of mint leaves. Mint leaves are generally safe for consumption. However, people with gastroesophageal reflux disease should minimize the consumption, as it may cause stomach irritation. Menthol oil is contraindicated in children to use topically, as it may cause breathing difficulties. Summary. According to science, mint is an amazing herb with a lot of benefits. You can't go wrong by adding mint in your diet as it is full of antioxidants, vitamins, iron, and so on. In simple words, include mint in your diet if you want to stay healthy and happy.